Hello and welcome to NetApp KBTV. This video is based on the KB ID 1029826. This video is to demonstrate how to generate a support bundle in OnCommand Unified Manager 7.2 and above, which is installed on a Windows host. We need to gain access to the maintenance console in order to generate a support bundle. Log in to the OnCommand Unified Manager Windows host with the admin credentials. Launch the PowerShell as the Windows administrator. You can also use the Windows command prompt instead of the PowerShell. Enter the command maintenance_console and then press enter. The Unified Manager Maintenance Console main menu will be displayed. In the Maintenance Console main menu, select option 1, that is Support and Diagnostics. Select Generate Support Bundle option. Three data types displayed can be included or excluded in the support bundle. The first one is a database dump, which is the dump of MySQL Server database. By default, this option will be selected. The option 2 is a heap dump. Heap dump is a snapshot of the main Unified Manager server process. This option is disabled by default and it should be selected only when requested by the technical support team. The third option is acquisition recording. This is a recording of all communication between the Unified Manager monitored clusters. This option is enabled by default. We will go with the default selections here. Type G and press enter to generate the support bundle. Since the generation of a support bundle is a memory intensive operation, you are prompted to verify that you are sure that you need to generate a support bundle at this time. Type Y and press enter to generate a support bundle. If you have included the database dump files in the support bundle, you are prompted to specify the time period for which you want to performance statistics to be included. Enter the starting date in a format year, month and date. The example is March 11, 2019. We have to write 2019-03-11. Enter the number of days of statistics to be included beginning from 12 am on the specified starting date. You can enter a number from 1 to 10. I am choosing the number and press enter. It will start generating the support bundle. We need to wait for 10 minutes or more based on the environment. Now the support bundle is generated. The generated support bundle resides in the path, drive, program data, NetApp, OnCommand app data, OCUM and support. Under that, the naming convention will be support bundle in the .7c format. Upload the .7c support bundle to NetApp technical support. At a time, OCUM stores only 2 most recently generated support bundles. All the support bundles are deleted from the system when a new one is getting created. We hope you find this KB video as useful. Thanks for watching.